Hello everyone. I hope you all fit and fine and having a great time. So in this video we will talk about the roulette winning strategy. One of the oldest technique is multangular betting strategy. So what we do in this technique? In this technique we double the amount and but when what we do when a streak comes like 8 and 9 times same type of number comes, so we lose a huge amount. To overcome this I make a video on this and I call it advanced technique. In this technique what we have to do, we apply the same technique that we used before, but in this technique we will start our betting from the third number. When three same type of numbers comes, then our technique starts. So let's see what we do. So in this technique we wait for a number like same type of number, like black number comes first time we place no bet, then second time it comes, still then we place no bet, and in third time also we place no bet. For fourth time we start our betting, like in fourth time we place 1 unit. But in this technique we should have at least double the amount that maximum bet on roulette. Like if a maximum limit of roulette is 10,000 rupees, then at least you have 10,000 rupees. So what we will do, in fourth we place 1 unit, in fifth we place second unit, and in sixth time we place 4 units, and in seventh we place 8 chips, in eighth we place 16 chips, and so on we will go on. So up to 15 times we will handle to a streak that comes, and I think normally this is maximum, because if more than 15 times number comes, then it's like it a fixed game. And in this technique your losing chances are only 1 upon 2045. That's very low. So I hope you will make money from this technique. And but remember that this technique is applicable only for high and low numbers, odd and even numbers, red and black numbers only. I hope this video will help you and you will have a great time. Thank you.